Well, hello everyone. I'm known as Dad, also known as Pop here at Rocket's Garage. And today we'll do a continuation of the Mustang project. I will give you an insight of what we're actually doing with the Mustang. First, we had to make it pretty and drivable and, you know, just put it back in order. It was well maintained by the other individual that had it almost 15 years. But it had paint damage, and we repainted it, sanded it off, put it on a primer, base coat, and a clear with rattle cans. And did it right here in the garage. So let me give you a sneak peek of what the actual project is all about. Is my other toy. It's a 2006 Harley Davidson Sportster, and instead of my 68-year-old bones trying to ride that all the way back to Indiana from the Pacific coast where we're located now, this is definitely a bone shaker. We're gonna put this on top of this. That's still in the box. And today's project will be to assemble a 4x8 trailer. And here's some of the parts that we'll be using on it, some extra parts. I bought an extra tire because I'm sure dragging that across the interstate, I'll pop one of them. And also bought a spare tire carrier. Appears that we've run into the first problem with the Harbor Freight trailer. They've misaligned a hole by 1/4 of an inch. So I have a choice to make. I can drill through here, as you can see how far it's missing, through this one and line it up there on that side. Because this pin is the one that's supposed to go through there. This one fits over here perfect. They got it correct. So I'm thinking, which one should I do? Because it's 1, 2, 3 holes to line up here. Or should I put the pin in up here and re-drill this one, which is 1 hole? I'm going to go with this one. Re-drill this one. But no, I take that back. I'm not going to do that because over there it's lined up perfect. Over here it's lined up perfect. And so if I change this, it's going to change the way it tows. So I'm going to have to do my work on this. So I'll go ahead and drill this to keep the trailer alignment correct when it's towing. Okay, one of the drill holes did not line up. It's off about 1/4 of an inch. It's a 1/2 inch hole. So all I got to do is just cut into it a little bit to make sure the pin can fit through.
While my dad works on the trailer, I'm gonna get started on a brake job on a Chevy Duramax. So I'm gonna cut to that real quick, hammer that out, and then get back to the trailer. All right, so we got the Z71 Silverado, my next victim here. What I'm gonna do is jack it up, pop the tires off, slide the new brake pads in, put some new pins in there, flip over on the other side, and send her back where she came from. Yep. Well, that completes the front brake job. Gonna drop it down, torque these bad boys up, and give it back. Sweet. All right, got the two front wheel brake job done. And we're working on finishing up the trailer right now. stay tuned for getting it down from the place it's sitting on and getting the hitch attached to the Mustang. Sweet. See you guys next time. Peace.